Hello everyone, this is Sudha. I'm pursuing Generative AI course at Broly Academy. After completion of Python course, I did this project. Now I will walk you through how to create WhatsApp scheduling message automatically using Python. Here I will cover all the things like front-end design, back-end logic and scheduling, etc. All these are inside the Jupyter Notebook only. This is the architecture of the project. Here the project overview is the user allows WhatsApp messages to send automatically with just few inputs like a phone number, message and time. Once you click on the schedule button, it automatically send the messages with particular number at given time using WhatsApp web. Here I use some tools like PivotKit. PivotKit is used to send WhatsApp messages at scheduled time, and Pandas used for logging message. And coming to date and time handles time calculations and it schedules the logic when to deliver the message. And IPY widgets is used to create interactive UI elements. IPython.display, this is used for displaying the outputs. This is the code for the project. Here I'm using these pandas, and the front end is like message input, numbers input, hour input, minute input. Here we have to pass the what we need to pass here, message and numbers, whom to pass, hour at particular delivery time, and the submit button. When you click on the submit button, it automatically triggers the function and it ensures reads the input number and processes one by one here. And the selected time should not be less than 2 minutes because it takes some time to load the WhatsApp web. Here we are storing the data in Excel sheet in the form of number, status, time and the scheduled time here. This log file is saved as in the form of year, month, day, hours, minutes and seconds. See, here we are getting like Broly Academy WhatsApp scheduler. This is the heading and the message. Here I need to type the message. I hit the schedule button. Let's wait for some time. It takes 69 seconds to open the WhatsApp web, and after 45 seconds the messages will be delivered. Here the input message which I given here is appearing here. Hi Broly. $16 time. Yes. See, here it was delivered. After 1 minute, the next one will open. This is the next number which I had given. See, here also hi Broly. Yes. See, it was delivered here. It takes 1 minute of time. See, here log is saved in the name of 2025, year and month, date 5/17, 14 seconds. Let me open that one. See, this is the one. This is the one, 2025 05 28 17 17 14. I'm opening this one. Number, status as scheduled, time is first one is 5:16 and the second one is 5:17. Message as hi Broly, scheduled at, this is the time stamp. Here I am using Excel to store the values. So these are the libraries same as above one, and here the front end widgets are hour input, minute input, because here there is no message and phone numbers. We already have this data in Excel sheet, so I'm loading that Excel sheet here, contacts.xlsx. Here the Excel sheet should have columns as number and message, and the Excel sheet file is at the same place where we are running in Jupyter Notebook. Here we are getting as Broly Academy WhatsApp scheduler as a heading, and we just need to enter hours and minutes. I'm hitting the schedule message button here. Here it takes 89 seconds to open the WhatsApp, and after 15 seconds the message will be delivered. The WhatsApp page is opening here. The message was delivered here at given time 5:24, 17:24. Yeah, it takes 1 minute time to deliver the message. It was delivered here at 5:25. Thank you.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి బ్రోలీ అకాడమీ.